Hello viewers, welcome on board once again. In this video I will be showing you how to use Photoshop to remove background. So I usually duplicate so that just in case I ever need to go back to where it all started, I can just easily go back to the original, or if I need to compare where I am at the moment to where I started, I can easily switch this eye icon on and off to see one layer or the other and to compare layers. So I'll be working on this one on the top. You can easily rename your layers also by double clicking on the name beside them. So I'm going to say, call this one remove BG, which BG stands for background. Enter. So if you have an image selected in the layer panel, you can go to property, select the property panel or docker. I think it's popularly called property dockers. All these boxes aligned at the right corner of the screen are usually called dockers or palettes. Property palette, color palette, docker or panel, whichever one you enjoy calling them. If you scroll down while your image is selected in the layer docker, click on the property palette, scroll to the bottom, and you will see some quick actions options such as remove background, select subject. If you click on select subject, it will automatically find the subject of the image and select it. But if you click on remove background, it is going to save you about 5 or 4 steps. It's just going to do the job. First it's going to select the subject and is going to use its inbuilt AI to detect the parts that needs to be removed and the part that needs to be left. It's going to keep your subject and it's going to delete the rest once you click on this. So let's see how that works. I'm going to click on this right now and give it some time to do all the calculations, and then you'll get the results. It works like magic. So you are wondering why the background is still showing. That is because I have 2 layers on the layer palette and both of them are turned on. So I'm going to turn off the one at the bottom, and now you can see that the background is normal. These boxes, checkerboard kind of boxes that have the gray and the white color side by side, is a way of illustrating transparency in design. It's a general concept around all design applications. Whenever you see boxes like this, white and gray boxes or ash boxes arranged side by side, is a way of telling you that there is nothing there. So the background is no more. What this button did is, like I explained before, it kept the subject, it marks the subject. It didn't just delete it, because if you see here, you can easily turn it off or on. It's called a marks. It used a marks. There's a method you can do that will delete it entirely, which we'll be seeing at a later time. But this method selects your subject and marks it and hides the background. So if I come here and click disable layer marks, you can see that the background is back, and if I enable the layer marks back again, the background is out. So that is just how to quickly remove your background. This is the fastest method in Photoshop. I can't think of any method that is faster than this. We'll look at other manual method very shortly.